welcome to another Whop video, guys. This one will be completely raw, just like the last one, so just bear with me, guys. I'm covering Whop again since that's what you guys voted for. I can cover Roblox next since quite a few people voted for that as well, but today it's just a Whop video. I'm gonna go in depth on Whop and some of your comments that you guys asked. And firstly, I wanna thank you guys. We crossed 100 subscribers, so that's amazing. So yeah, the first comment is, how do you download high quality clips? I use 3 websites. Y2 Meta is for YouTube. It's basically just a YouTube downloader, and it downloads in very high quality, so it's simple to use. Cobalt, I think you guys probably know Cobalt. This is for TikTok videos, and SSS Instagram is for Instagram videos. So yeah, those are the 3 websites I use. I can leave them in the description so you guys can find them easily. The next comment was, how do you find good campaigns and get views on new accounts? Basically, it's really hard to find campaigns these days. Let me open Whop right here. It's really hard to find campaigns these days, especially like if you're a beginner. The best ones, I would say, are Clipix campaigns right now. Clipix is just an agency, and they have pretty good creators right now. So I recommend clipping for them if you can get in their campaigns. They don't let anyone join, but like, if you get good views, you're gonna be able to join. So you can either clip for Evan, for Brandon, and they have a few more. So that's what I recommend clipping for. Next up, CapCut. That's the editing app I use. I know some people use DaVinci and whatever else. I just prefer CapCut. I think it's the easiest one to use, and it also has a lot of filters, effects, and everything. So I definitely recommend using CapCut, especially if you're a beginner. So next thing I wanted to cover is how to target USA audience. Well, on YouTube, it's pretty simple. All you need is basically, let me write it down. All you need is the video to be in English, and for the captions to also be in English. That's really all you need to do. Right here. Okay. So basically, if your captions and the language is in English, it's gonna attract English audience. It's gonna get you like 50% US audience, just like that. You don't need to do anything else, no tags, no nothing. Just make sure the video is in English. It's not like just B-rolls or whatever. It's like talking clips and stuff, and it has to be in English. Oh yeah, here, another thing I wanna show you guys. These are my earnings, and these are from all of my friends, basically. The ones I clip with. This guy's at 6K, this guy's at 8K, this guy's at 6K, 3K, this guy's at 30K, this is an old screenshot. Another guy's at 6.5K. So basically you can make a lot of money on Whop. All of us were beginners, all of us. We started from zero around May, I think, so like a few months ago. Well, more than a few months ago. But yeah, we basically made a decent amount of money, all of us. And what else did I want to cover? Oh, if you want to target US audience on Instagram, I recommend watching this video. It covers that and also how to warm up your account. And for TikTok, you basically need for TikTok you need to have you need to buy an iPhone. Oh, sorry. You need to buy or use one of your old iPhones. Sorry, misspelled. And then you also need a proxy. There's multiple good proxies out there. I just recommend finding a good one that really works and doesn't screw you over, because TikTok can detect it, so you should really find one that TikTok can detect, and then you should be good. You warm up the account on your iPhone with the proxy, and you're going to be targeting like 99% US audience. It's that simple. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all I really wanted to cover in this video. If you want me to cover anything else, just let me know in the comments once again, and I will cover it in the next video. See you guys.